In today's grammar point, we will train your English voice with can, the positive. Can means being able to do something. Can is used with both singular, only one, and plural, more than one. So let's have a look at these examples. I, he, she, it, with can. For example, I can jump. He can read. She can skip. And they can carry the table. Now, let's change these sentences to use the plural forms. For example, they can jump. We can read. And you can skip. Now, let's have a look at the negative can't. Can't means not being able to do something. With can't, we also use both singular and plural forms. Let's have a look. I, he, she, and it with can't. For example, I can't drive a car. He can't sing. She can't swim. And they can't dance. Let's change these sentences into the plural forms. You can't drive a car. They can't sing. We can't swim. Now, let's have a look at using can in questions and answers. Asking and answering whether someone is able to do something. For example, can you dance? Yes, I can. Can he speak English? Yes, he can. Can she cook? No, she can't. Can they carry the table? No, they can't. Let's do one more example. Can you read? Yes, I can.